Hey guys and girls, welcome back to another video on this beautiful channel. It's beautiful day. How you guys doing? Let's keep doing all this stuff. It's pretty late here, so this is probably the last video for today. What I want to do is I just want to finish off some power-up stuff. I just want to see if this works. If the power-up is actually removed as we collide with it. If we find a power-up, obviously. Hopefully we will. Now for testing purposes, I should have done 100% on everything, but yeah, it is removed. There is no freaking crash or anything. We're fine. It is removed, and that's good. So this power-up.update. Let's go to power-up update. This sprite.rotate 10.f multiplied by dt multiplied by this dt multiplier. So it should be good. Just gonna rotate slowly. If we can find one, if we're lucky enough this time. Oh, wow, okay, that's a little fast. 5, and then before we set the scale and everything, this sprite.setOrigin, this sprite.get global bounds.width divided by 2, comma, copy paste height, so center. Now that should be fine. I'm not going to test that. And as I do this, we're gonna do this. Okay, we're going to player. We're gonna go into player, and we're gonna say we're gonna do this. Upgrades, power-ups. Now I know what power-ups I have. Bool power-up RF, bool power-up XP. So we have these two. In the constructor, we're going to initialize them with where upgrades is. Controls, velocity, guns, upgrades. Power-ups. This power-up RF equals false. This power-up XP equals false. Okay. And we do have that. If I pick it up, that power-up timer, let's do a float power-up timer max, float power-up timer. Okay, go up to where timers are. Here we go. This power-up timer max equals how long is the power-up gonna last? 100F. This power-up timer equals this power-up timer max. So we have 100F. That's good. 100 float. Now we do have these off. Update accessories. Update. Let's have a update power-up thing. Accessories. Void player update update power-ups const float dt, I think, or no, we might not need that. Update power-ups. Where is player? Update accessories. Right here. Update power-ups. Now, where did I have my update timers? In the update function. Here we go. Change accessories, update this, update power-ups. And here, let's just copy paste one of these. If this power-up timer is greater than 0, this power-up timer minus 1F, and I do that, and then in update power-ups, if this power-up timer less or equal to 0.f, this power-up RF equals false, this power-up XP equals false. This and then we need something for where's update, shielding, enable inline void enable RF power up RF, this power up RF equals true, power up XP equals true. Now we do have this always check in if it's less than 0. True, this power up timer equals this power up timer max, so we reset the timer as well, and as soon as it's reset we'll set those to false, so that's a good thing. Alright, so there we go. This power up timer, good, and there we go. So we'll have it for a while. Now. Inline bool get power up RF const return this power up RF, and then we're gonna make one more inline bool power up XP so we can get it, we can see if it's actually activated, so we can use it outside. So that's pretty much done. In combat, when I let's see, where's update? If this power up RF. Then we're gonna do something, and then else the timer thingy is gonna be like this. Shoot timer max divided by 2. That's power up RF right there for you. And if we have power up XP in game, let's see, this is RF enabled, this is XP enabled, this players at position K dot enable power up RF XP. Okay, that's good. And what happens if we have power up XP? Well, let's go to player bullet update, enemy dead. Enemy dead. Gain EXP. If this players at position I, bullet update for every I. Okay, so players at position I get power up XP. EXP is multiplied equals to 2. And then let me just do this. If, and then I'm going to make one of these, make a gain score text. This is text tag, level up tag, gain EXP tag. Whoops. Okay, so gain EXP tag. Multiplied plus string score multiplier. X2 power up EXP else just a regular one. So there we go. And then we need a bar for the power up timer as well. Let me see if I can make this happen now. Please give me one, just one. And then we'll have some upgrade action. There we go. That's a rate of fire upgrade. Okay, now that isn't really working. That didn't really work properly like I wanted to. Okay. That didn't really work like I wanted it to. Let me see. Let me see why that didn't work. Now in player combat, No, I wasn't in combat, was it? It was an update. If this power up RF, else that's strange, dude. To test this, I need to test it better. I need to find some stuff. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna go to game. We're gonna go to where enemies die, and we're gonna do add, upgrade, pick power up. Just gonna 10 there, greater than 0. So we just find upgrades directly. Power ups. So this is for testing purposes. That's not working either. That wasn't working either. I wonder why. So while it's active, it's not working. In game, this is a little buggy. Oh, whoops, what did I do? Did I do something crazy? Nope. Let's do 0. Enemy, no, player bullets update. Update. Power-ups update. Update power-ups. Shoot timer max while if this power-up RF in player. I think I set it to false, didn't I? Down here in the beginning. Okay, that's fine. So initialize it to false. And in update power-ups, lesser or equal to 0, we set them to false. In update here, we go minus. That's good. That's fine. Okay. Power up timer max. Okay. Did I set this power up timer max? This power up timer max 100. This power up timer max. That's good. So from start. No, wait. From start, this power up timer equals 0. .f, and then I can enable it. I can get it. So if I get it, there we go. Shoot timer max while it's true. This shoot timer max equals 10.f equals, wait, divided by 2. Oh wait, this is gonna suck. This shoot timer timer max divided equals 2. And then power up reset. Where do we reset that power up? power up update. Time max equals multiplied equals 2. Oh, this is gonna suck balls. Oh god. No, that's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna do this. Power up. Shoot timer max equals 10.f. This shoot timer max equals 20.f. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's see. So now this is working until it's on. That didn't work because it disappeared. I think it's because it disappeared. Now this is working. That's working. It's just that it's so short that it doesn't let me keep it for a while. Okay, so it's working. It's kind of complicated, this whole thing here, but a good way to do this would be to well, this would be okay. I guess it's okay. We're not going to change it too much. This is the only place we're going to change it. Power-ups, that's not really clean coding, but you know what? We'll keep it like that. Now in player, I want to set the where is it? Power up timer to 500 or at least 300, and then make a power up bar before I end this video, and then inline float get power up timer const, return this power up timer, inline float get this power up timer max. That's good. Go into game, go to where bars are, rectangle shape player power up bar. Let's go to game, where we initialized it. Initialize. Okay, initialize UI. Go into copy paste these. Make this more green, less red. That's kind of a weird color, but we'll see. Size is good. Player power up bar. Okay, we're not gonna just update that yet. We initialized it. We're gonna go into draw. We're gonna draw it. It's in draw UI. Draw UI. Nope. Draw player. This player power up bar. Update. Player update. Player shield bar. Okay, so player exp bar, copy that. Player power up bar, that's set scale. Get power up timer divided by get power up timer max. and then this is gonna be really wrong. Power up, player power up bar, 135, 155. Did I go 20 down? It's 135. That's, yep, I did 155, and that's good. So let's see. Okay, that's cool. That's nice. That works. Nice. If you keep getting power-ups. 300 is a little short as well. I think I'm gonna do a player thing before I leave. Put it to 600, and we'll see if this works. What, didn't that work? I think it did. Huh. No, this is shield recharge timer. Wow, what am I doing, dude? I'm so dumb. This is supposed to be like 300. Let's try 400. No, 300 is like 3 times that, 4 times that what it was. And just as a last thing, we'll try that. Doesn't work. We'll be sad. If you keep finding upgrades, you will get more timers, which is good. I like that system though. It's kind of a bug, but it's still nice. Yeah, buddy, this is working. Okay, I'm not gonna play too much. Sorry, I got stuck in playing. But thanks for watching, guys and girls. This is a really long video, but we had to fix all this stuff. Yeah, thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one, alright? Bye-bye.